Rainy days. Go boys, go! Good boys! Where are we going? There's a river down there. You can hear it. It's big. I haven't found a good way to get down to it yet. Well, we're out here for a walk. It's raining. We're not really going anywhere with a view or anywhere breathtaking. We're just out here. Out here to get the fresh air, get soggy, move our legs. It's important to get out. It's important to smell nature, even when it's raining. It's good for you. It's also important for the dogs. Dogs are like us. Well, not really, but all creatures the same. Enjoy a good walk or getting tired. So get out there, work your legs, burn some energy, take a nap when you're done. You can see it down there. I believe this is like the top of Coos Creek. Well, not the top, upper portion. If I had brought a map, I might be able to see the top. I'm pretty sure this road goes there. We're just familiarizing ourselves. Always be hunting for new trails. Keep those legs moving. Remember, you stay still long enough, they'll throw dirt on you. Be honest, friends, and live a good life. Enjoy yourself, do what you want to do. Don't forget to help others, though, when you can. Be honest, work hard, walk lots. Is that good? My dog's dad, my dog, and my sister's dog. Boing.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way